What's up guys, this week we're going to try and do that drone job that we were trying to get done last week that got washed out by rain. So heading there, taking some shots, filming it while you're there. You're going to be Let's go fly some drones. Okay, so the plan here is we're going to fly around, get some suburban shots of this profile shots of this suburb, and then get any landmarks specifically. So for example, Meadowbrook Park, just beyond the way, which I've already actually got the footage for, but I'm just doing this for effect lol. Very important, we're at least 15 meters from all buildings and houses and people and everything like that. As you can see here, I am doing this in the middle and only over that clear field right there. I'm not going in rows of buildings, over any rows of buildings. Most people can only fly within 30 meters, but we have a special position under our company. Beyond that, we just need to make sure that we're being smart, not flying over any populous areas. Then we got to go to Forestdale, do that, and then we've got another shoot at South Bank, and that's the day in the life of a professional drone pilot.
I promise I'll show up when your life's too rough. If you wanna have me there, I know I'm like a walk in space. No matter how you talk with me, you never know what's up. I don't even think I'm in my league here.
Hazard is the sun, especially if you're a redhead like me. What's up guys, we are here on site for vertical imaging, doing a traffic survey. I'm here with the CEO and owner, Jason Tan. He's also basically the big cheese, checking out an issue we've had with our inverter. It's no big deal though. Say hi Jace.
Hey Jace.
Very funny. That's it for now. Gotta get back to it. Any last words?
Get back to work, Tom.
Yeah, that sounds about every third sentence that comes out of Jason's mouth.